Did you know that you can design stunning YouTube thumbnails for your videos by using Canva literally in seconds and for free? And you don't need any fancy design softwares to do so? In case you didn't know, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails for your videos. Let's get into it. So now let's open a blank page on Canva by clicking social media and then YouTube thumbnail, or simply search YouTube thumbnail in your search bar and select one of these pre-designed YouTube thumbnails. Well, if you see something that works for you here, all you need to do is to change the images and text, and then you can just skip to the section where I show you how to export it. So you can save some time here. But if you choose to design it all by yourself, let's move on. And first, let's choose a background for our thumbnail. Keep in mind here that you want people to be able to read your text easily. Therefore, you're going to want to choose a background that serves this purpose. To choose a background, go to Background tab on left, click on the one you like, and it will automatically fill your canvas. And you can also click on the Photos tab on left and choose a photo as your background. You can search for a specific photo, or you can browse through the categories below. Once you find your photo, just click on it and drag it from the corners of your photo to fill your canvas. I prefer to use a blurred photo in the background in my thumbnails. So to do this, let's click on the photo, then Edit Image and Blur. Now that we have our background, we can add other elements to our design. If you have your own images, click on the Uploads tab to upload your image. You can also drag and drop your images from your computer here. If you want to add graphic elements to your design, here you can find them in the Elements tab. You simply have to search the elements that you're looking for, and once you find them, you can just click on them or drag them on the page to add them to your design. And of course, you can adjust their size, you can flip them, you can increase their transparency depending on your liking. Now let's continue to design our thumbnail. I will first add a photo and remove its background, and then add an outline to create a contour effect. For this, let's go to Uploads tab, upload a photo, and once it appears on our page, click on Edit Image and then click on Remove Background. Then to add an outline, click on the image once more and then add shadows. Click on shadows and then click on Glow. Now you will see that the picture is glowing now. That is not what we want. To transform it into an outline, we have to adjust the glow settings. So since we don't want it, we need to change it to an outline. Click again on Glow to adjust, then adjust Blur to 0, Transparency to 100, and then adjust the size. Select a color for your outline. I recommend white because it always works with everything. So if it's your first time designing a thumbnail, I recommend the white color to use as an outline. Now let's add also the caption of our video. Press T on your keyboard to add text, or just simply click on the Text tab on left. Type your text and select a font. I like to add a little background to my text as well to make sure they're easy to read, since I use blurred photos as my backgrounds and it can be a little bit confusing if I don't add this background to my text. So for this, let's search a rectangle in our elements. Also a brush stroke would work, and add one behind each text to create the contrast that I want. Now let's complete our design with complementary elements. You can search quote decor in the elements, and if you see something that you like here, add them to your canvas as well. Now that we finished designing our thumbnail, let's export it to our computer. To export your thumbnail, you have to click on Download button on the upper right of your screen and make sure PNG is selected as your file format. I say this because PNG would make your image look in the highest quality possible, and Also, of course, adjust the size of the image, and of course choose the folder where you want to download your image, and then click on download, and you simply have your YouTube thumbnail. And it's sure to get your video the likes and the views it deserves. If you have any questions and comments about this video, please make sure to drop your comments in the comment section below. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks again for watching, and take care.